everyone, this is Emily. I'm here at the Status Hackathon in Prague, and I'm actually just basically going to go around and interview some people to check about what the projects they're doing. Today I found Pedro from Walletconnect, and Walletconnect is a really interesting project that helps the whole ecosystem. We would like to interview Pedro to get a bit more understanding about Walletconnect. So Pedro, can you talk a little bit about yourself and how you sort of got into how you got into Walletconnect and a bit about Walletconnect itself.
Yeah, so I got into crypto working in banking. So I was working in a startup for a smart bank, and I was building banking interfaces for web. And then I got all carried away with all the regulations, and were like, this is terrible. Need to get to like open finance, and then open finance kind of led me to Ethereum and smart contracts. And I started working at Balance, where they're developing a Ethereum interface and also a wallet for tokens and managing NFTs. And I did their Balance Manager, and this is where Walletconnect came into existence. And Walletconnect enables mobile wallets to interact with desktop apps, and it works through an encrypted end-to-end open source standard.
Okay, awesome. So, Walletconnect, what is? Can you talk a little about it? Like a non-technical, someone who's from a non-technical background, what it actually does, basically.
Sure. So basically, from a user perspective, you're going to connect to a dApp through a QR code. Most apps nowadays use MetaMask, which is a Chrome extension, and you go to the Chrome extension and you put your password to unlock the Chrome extension, and you access the account. With Walletconnect, you can use your phone, and your phone will have a camera that scans the QR code, and then it connects and establishes the end-to-end encrypted connection. So it works very similarly to what WhatsApp does with their web application, but instead you use your mobile wallet. And this will be available, like I said, it's an open source standard for all mobile wallets to integrate. So dApps will integrate it on their side, and wallets will have the scanner available, and so you can use every dApp the same way you use with MetaMask, but with your mobile wallet instead.
Right. So, is it a product for other wallets, or is it something that I can use as a user myself?
So technically, as a user, you would choose a wallet that would have Walletconnect enabled. So I'm working with most popular wallets who actually have this integration. So if you already have a wallet like iToken and Trust, they will be integrated in the next 3 months. Walletconnect, so you already will see that delivered in the next update.
I see. So basically, if I choose a wallet with Walletconnect in there, how is it different to say if it doesn't have Walletconnect?
So if you don't have a Walletconnect wallet, you have a wallet that probably has a browser, and within the browser you can select a bunch of dApps. And maybe you can go to a specific URL and go to a dApp and interact it on your phone. But with Walletconnect, you can actually interact on your computer or any other device by scanning the QR code and establish the connection between your phone and the device.
I see. So basically, if I have a wallet with Walletconnect in there, I just have to scan this QR code to interact with the dApps that are on the wallet.
And there's a few examples I can give. The most common is, for example, you're exchanging and you can use it on your computer. You can even have some dApps on your television, and you scan the QR code from your couch and it will sign transactions from your phone. Or you can go to a cafe and then they have the QR code and you can interact with their dApp through your phone. So it's going to be a very seamless experience, and it's quite flexible in most situations.
So you're saying that it's not just on my phone, it's just I just use it to scan a QR code.
Yeah, so the QR code is basically the authentication. So when you're scanning that QR code, you're initiating that communication. The first thing that appears on your phone is, do you want to approve this connection with this dApp? Do you want to start this communication? It's almost like a login kind of pattern.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I definitely have used that type of scanning before in WeChat. Login and WhatsApp.
So the Asian markets definitely will be more familiar than the Western markets with QR codes, and it's the same pattern, but for Web3 dApps.
Okay, awesome. That sounds like a very useful sort of thing to do. Thanks so much for your time, Pedro. What's the plan for the next couple of months for Walletconnect?
So as I said, this is currently more like a remote communication, and I want Walletconnect to be more generalized and being the standard for communicating with all wallets. And the next step is to actually have mobile to mobile. So using your already existing apps on your phone to actually communicate to the other app, which is your wallet. So if you go to Twitter and then you open a link, instead of having to copy that link and go into your wallet, you would be able to click inside of that app to go into the wallet to authenticate, and then you can just go back to your browser as normal. So Safari browsers and Google Chrome browsers can then have this ability to, within your phone, just authenticate between any wallet.
Oh, okay. Sounds like what status is doing there.
So this is the key feature, is that right now there's already this functionality of mobile to mobile communication, but it's specific for each wallet. And the biggest advantage of Walletconnect is trying to standardize all of these patterns into one pattern that the apps will just have to integrate with Walletconnect. So with Walletconnect, you integrate with Status, with Coinbase Wallet, with Trust, with IMToken, which all of them have a specific method to actually integrate to their dApps, but with Walletconnect it would just be one big standard for all of the mobile wallets.
Oh, okay, just basically standardizing the communication language across the whole industry.
Exactly.
Okay. Awesome. Yeah, that sounds like a really cool thing you're working on.
Thanks.
So what's the plan for the rest of the days in Prague?
So we're just hanging around and talking about Web3 and crypto, working on some projects, and have fun at night and go for some drinks.
It's like such a pretty city, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and there seems to be like a lot of events happening up until DevCon. So
yeah, there's a lot of events every
stuff.
day, so you're just jumping around between events.
Yeah, pretty much. That's exactly what I'm planning to do too.